Introducing the Instagram Map new update. Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to set up and use Instagram new map feature which recently launched on new Instagram update. First you need to simply tap on the Instagram DM message. Now here you will find there is a brand new map option, so simply tap on this one. So here is a new update which recently introduced. Now you can easily share your live location on Instagram map with your friends or publicly. So I want to show you how to set up and use the Instagram new map feature. First simply tap on next. Now here you need to simply select the specific category for your live location sharing. So I just want to select here close friend only. Simply tap on share location, and now here you need to simply tap on continue. So now you need to simply allow the live GPS location. First enable the live GPS from your phone, and after that you need to simply tap on this little live GPS option. And once you tap on this one, so here you will find your live location. So I want to once again open up the Instagram map. So here you notice that it display my live location with little profile. So also you notice that the little profile will be displayed on Instagram map. So in this way you can easily use the Instagram new map feature which recently introduced. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.